Hello everyone, today we are going to start a new problem set of week 1, that is the math interpreter. This is the math interpreter. Let us see what we are supposed to do. First of all, we'll watch this terminal in embedded video and then we are going to read this written question. What it is saying, I wrote it already, so I'm explaining you. We are just supposed to create a calculator which will add two numbers or add, subtract, multiply or divide two numbers and output the result as a floating value formatted to one decimal place, and the input will be formatted as x space y space z, and x is the number 1, z is the number 2 and y is the operator, and we are supposed to create a calculator using that. So I am going to code interpreter.py, and here we are going to take the input from the user, that is the uh, number is equal to input, and this is called as the expression dot strip, and then I am going to split uh, my input in three portion on the basis of a single space, that is number is equal to number dot split on the basis of a single space. So the number 1 will be 0th place of the number, and number 2 will be on the second place of the number, and OPE operator will be on the first place of the number. So we got all the numbers, and now what I do is I'll typecast this number to integer, because I know the first number and the second number will be in integer. So I am going to write my conditionals over here. If OPE is equal to addition, then I'm supposed to uh, write create a variable sum, that is 0.0, and then sum will be equal to number 1 plus number 2. I'm going to copy it, and this is it for the first condition. Elif operator is equal to subtraction, then I'm going to just subtract it. Sum is equal to I should be writing it as answer. Remember, whenever you are coding or you are a programmer, you should be using a meaningful names so that anybody else can understand what you have created the variable for. And this is the subtraction sign, and then elif. So our question only gave us these conditions, so I am just tackling these cases. Finally, I have to print the let me just answer is equal to float of the answer, and then they told us to round off to the one places, so answer is again equal to, we are going to use built-in function, that is round. It takes two parameters, that is the number and the number of places you want to round off. So in this case, answer comma 1 is my required thing, so I am just going to print the answer, and let us just test my code. 12 1, that is 12 plus 10, that is 22.0. Okay, so you have to check all these all these four conditions by yourself one by one, and then you are supposed to check it using check 50. Voila, our code is perfectly correct. Now you can submit it using submit 50. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time.